Never forget your heroes. Think back to when legends were born. A time that brought to life not an idol, but an idea. Designed from struggle, destined for adventure. They didn't just survive a generation. They were the generation. The ones that beat that unbeaten path. A champion, still championed. For greatness only ever came from the good old days. Until now. The aura of then shaping the era now. Charting the course of tomorrow's history. Because the heroes of yesterday could never be found today. Until today. The Jeep Wrangler, 1941 Willys Edition. Born again.